Right, in this video I am going to be unboxing this, I guess it's like a wood burner, and it's called the OutBacker FireBox. It's meant to be used in heat-proof tents, and it was £139 from eBay. I shall leave a link in the description. So what I'm going to do is unbox it, and we'll see what's inside, because it's not actually clear exactly what's inside. There are some deals that are cheaper for a different brand. They come with gloves, they come with flues. That's the chimney. This one's supposed to come with flue. It's supposed to. Original OutBacker stove. The reason why I bought this, well, you have your reasons, but I have my reason as well, which is just in case of emergencies. Comes in a double box, just in case of emergencies, and I don't have any kind of source of heating or fuel to heat or cook with. I can rely on this. It's quite small, as you can see. I could just take this out and install it. I can pull this out, and there's plenty of fuel in terms of wood in this country where I live anyway. It comes with a carry bag. I guess that could fit nicely in there, although I might keep the box anyway because I want to store other bits and pieces. I did buy a couple of 90 degrees 60mm, so 6cm stainless steel bends for the flues. There's a reason for that, because if it did come down to it, I may need the kind of bend in it to funnel it outside of the house, is what I'm talking about. So there's a piece of plywood here. Not sure. It's not upside down because the paperwork is here. Woodstone. Okay, so it's going to be, okay, here's some of the measurements. Flue height 2.235 meters. 2.235 meters, so that's really quite tall. And I really like the length of that, because eventually, if I do use it, in fact it might even well, if I do use it, I'll need it to go up, sideways out, and then back up again. So up quite far, sideways out, and then back up. And this sideways out bit is going to help me to give it extra height. Alright, flue height including stove 2.63 meters, so higher than this ceiling if it was to go straight up. Alright, and it says it's 390 centimeters height wise. I've got a tape measure just to double check. 25 across, and I don't know what the depth is, it doesn't mention it. So it does come with flues, Jubilee clip, that's basically, you see me use them, just tighten them up. One spark arrestor, I'm not 100% sure what that is. I'll have to read up what a spark arrestor is. Don't know why it comes like that. So about 12 kilograms. Quite heavy. Another bottom little piece of plywood. It's quite well packaged. We're in there, sat like that, so it wouldn't get damaged. So pretty well packaged, I would say. I might store it back the way I found it. Don't think I'll need a bag. So obviously 12 kilograms is quite portable. No doubt about that. So you could use it if you wanted to go on a big camping trip. Not very wide, the hole, which is good. It's a good sign. Don't really need a giant glue diameter. Quite sturdily built. The flues sit inside. They can be stored inside. It feels like it's wrought iron. Cast iron, it feels cast iron to me. This should be able to be removed like that. So if you want to sit a pot, you had one that fitted inside, you could sit one in there. You could probably put a wok in there actually, put a wok, rounded bottom wok straight on that, and it'll work really well. So that can be put in position and turn. Might get stuck actually, but it was really used a lot. There's a bolt there. It's simple. There's no there's going to be a piece of glass that I'm going to have to install at some point, but I'm not going to do it today. And there's an adjuster there for air in there. And that is it. And the feet should be extendable. Yep. And I shall measure it. Measure the rest of the burner. Got to be careful on this tile floor. It's wrought iron. It might damage the floor. Not careful with it. Okay. So it sits like that. Original OutBacker stove. Investigate just one piece. Stainless steel. Should just slide on there, and they should just slide on each other. 1, 2, 3. So far they look identical. 4, 5, 6. I was expecting 6. I'm getting 8. And a chimney with a kind of dented piece like that. Interesting, because I went and bought another chimney piece with a little hat on it to add to this. So that's great. So it's the top of it, water can't get in. Counting again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 pieces. So a lot of piping. %100% stainless steel, I can feel that. One of these sections is going to be the spark adjuster. I don't know what that means actually. That's not going to fit on there. That's not going to fit on there. Oh, it does fit on there. So where it bulges out a bit, and that's quite sturdy. At some point mine is going to go 90 degrees, and that's quite sturdy. Fits in quite well. And that obviously fits. Not that piece. It'll be a spark arrestor. Let's find it. One of them should look completely different with like a little adjuster on it. Oh, I may be wrong. Yep, they all look the same. So I don't know what they mean by spark adjuster or spark arrestor. So this should, yeah, that fits on there like that. So next piece like that. One of these pieces is going to have double, maybe double kind of that one there. Yeah, that's the one. That's the one that's going to do that and that. That's the second from top one, or the penultimate one. That fits on there, that fits on there. And the rest of them have a one bottom, one flared bottom. Don't know where the spark arrestor is. Alright, and let me get you a better shot of that. This one is the one that's going to go on there. This fits near the top, so keep the smoke away from yourself. Look in the book. One time spark arrestor, one set of flue pipes. So maybe it's something I'll have to fit onto one of the flues. There's a glass, there is insulation for the glass. I'm not going to do too much of the glass. Here's more, I don't need to measure it, it's all here. Stove height 447 millimeters. So it's 44 centimeters, it should be. Let's have a look. So I was include that bit there. Yep. Included that bit there. It's 4.7 centimeters width, 250. Yep, 250. Height, just this box alone. Another 250, about 250 again. Depth 365 centimeters. 365 millimeters. Flue height on its own 2.23 meters, 2.235 meters. Weight 12.4 kilograms. So let's see what else is in here. Teaches you how to put the glass in. And this is the glass, so be careful. That's not the glass. This is the hanger-oners, the racks. Very simple design. They go. They hang just like that. I'm not going to take it out. They just sit in there like that. It's very simple and effective. Nice close together grills, so nothing's going to fall through. And two of them, one for each side. Not sure what this is. Ashtray, I guess. I'll have to think about this later on. This is the glass. Fits on there. It's well padded. Don't know what these are. I'll leave a link in the description if you know. They twist off. Feels quite thickly steeled, if I want to. Where's such a word? It's the inside. Nothing left in there. Sturdily built. And I used something very similar to this inside an area which was inside a volume, which was like a gypsy caravan. Went for holiday. Something like this produced so much heat, and it only took one log, and it was all done properly with the flue going out to the exterior. It was so hot. Anyway, so one last look around. One last thing. Okay, this is the spark arrestor. So what traditionally happens is, I think quite often you get like a straight pipe like this with a little kind of hood at the top, stop the rain, and something pops up and then falls down towards your tent. So this apparently will prevent the sparks from flying onto your tent. So that's the spark arrestor. This is the Jubilee kit mentioned in the description. So Jubilee clips, just ordinary. This will go on there. I think when it's windy, you can tie it off. You can tie a piece of string, I guess, or a bit of wire to the ground so it doesn't get blown in the wind. Anyway, that's it. That's everything there. I had to go back and research what on earth is the spark arrestor. I just thought this is just a top piece chimney. It's got indented conical kind of shape to it. I guess if it if it was a sparks and shoot straight up, hit that and it will go out. I'm not sure. Maybe it will go out sideways. I don't know. It's designed differently anyway. Let's put it that way. Designed to stop those sparks from sparking up and lighting up your tent, which you don't want. Anyway, thanks for watching.